Hey everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be natural makeup look. I'm going to show you how I achieved this look on my face right here using minimum product and doing a good skincare routine. तो आज मैंने अपना फेस एक्सफोलिएट भी किया था एंड फेस शेव भी किया था टू रिमूव द हेयर फ्रॉम माय फेस. सो दिस पार्ट आई हैव शेव्ड ऑलरेडी यहाँ तक. सो आई हैव PCOD स्किन, so I do get lot of facial hair, guys. I have already done a video that how I like to shave my face. You can watch the video right here. So right now I have nothing on my face. I washed my face using a face wash and also pat dried my skin, and this is what my face looks like. It is asking for some hydration, some nourishment, guys. So what I'm going to use right now is Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemish cream. So Mamaearth makes paraben free and sulfate free products, and they make natural ingredient wale product, and they're really good with their products, guys. I've tried their under eye cream, I've tried their night cream, their day cream. So this Bye Bye Blemish cream has mulberry extract and vitamin C in it, and this is for uneven skin tone. I did my research on mulberry extract. So mulberry is a fruit. It is filled with antioxidant, and you know that antioxidants are really good for your skin. In fact, vitamin C is a good antioxidant. So ये दोनों ingredient जो इसमें है, these are antioxidants, and this can help in fighting free radical. अगर मैं free radical का example दूँ, fine line, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, redness, sun damages, so this can help with all that. I like to use this after shaving my face because this helps in calming down my skin, okay? And this one has vitamin C, and vitamin C is something which I'm a huge fan of. I always look for product जिसमें vitamin C हो. So I'm gonna use 2 pumps of this, okay, this much, and this one smells divine. So I'm gonna spread this evenly all over my face. So this one takes around 40 seconds to 1 minute to get absorbed completely on my skin, so I'm gonna wait for 40 seconds. Alright, so that was my face cream. Next up, I need some SPF on my face. Again, Mamaearth product, that is their day cream. So I'm gonna take 1 pump of this day cream which has SPF 20 in it, so this will give me 2 hours of protection. So I will apply this all over my face, okay? So it's been over 5 minutes and the skincare part is already done on my face, and this is what my face looks like. Summer ke time pe I do not do much makeup on my face because makeup melts from my face anyway, guys. All I like to do is kind of enhance the best features that I already have. That is my eyebrows, also conceal the under eye dark circles, apply some blush and lipstick, and that's it. And I'm going to show you how I like to do that. So first I'm going to use this concealer by Maybelline. This is in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I will apply this under my eyes to hide the dark circles that is going on just a little bit. This matches me perfectly. This is not a highlighter shade, and whatever pimple spot that I have, I will also hide that with this concealer. And now I will use my foundation brush to blend this all together. अब जो भी foundation brush में product होगा, मैं अपने पूरे face पे एक बार अच्छे से. That's it. Now I'm going to set my face quickly using a loose powder. This is Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is in the shade Medium Deep 30. इसमें हल्का सा tint भी आता है, so आप अपने पूरे face पे भी इसको use कर सकते हो. So first I'm going to use this under my eyes to set my eyes. Then my T-zone, and then rest of my face. Moving on to defining my eyebrows. I already have nicely shaped eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows at my home. खुद ही shape और अच्छे से उनको define कर लेती हूँ घर पे. So what I will do, I will just comb through them once and see if I need to fill them up. Here I don't have much eyebrow hair, so I like to fill this area properly. And instead of using a powder product because it fades away easily summertime पे, I'm using a cream based product. See, they are looking well defined. So I will do the exact same step here. First combing them, okay, and filling this sparse area. Now that the eyebrows are well defined, next up is blush. For that I'll be using a lipstick. This is powder matte lipstick in the shade Almond Pink by Maybelline. मुझे summers पे ना ऐसे nude वाले pink वाले color cheeks पे लगाना अच्छा लगता है because they give you very natural flush of color, and ऐसा लगता है कि आपको हमेशा ही शर्म आती रहती है.
Modest vibes आने चाहिए ना इसमें.
So I'm gonna just take some on my fingers like that. Apply some on the back of my hand here, and take some and start applying this. I will build this little by little. ठीक है, एकदम ही लगा दूंगी ना तो बहुत ज़्यादा पिंक लगता है, and you don't want that. So start with little and cover the apples of your cheeks. So smile and apply. See, I look so awake from this side of my face. So I will repeat that same thing in here, and I will apply some on my nose right here and on my chin. I will take my brush again and just go through it once again. Moving on to eyes. For that I'll be using Nykaa Chai color. This is such a beautiful brown color, and I will use some on my fingers and apply this all over my eyelid, and you will see some magic right now. So apply some on my eyelid and blending it with the help of my teeny finger. Moving on to mascara. For that, first I'll be curling my lashes. Trust me guys, curling your lashes makes a huge difference to your eyes. उसके बाद mascara जब आप लगाते हो ना तो क्या lift up करता है आपकी eyelashes को. So I'll be using waterproof mascara and summers में मैं हमेशा waterproof mascara use करती हूँ. बाद में वो अच्छे से निकल भी जाता है oil based makeup remover use करने के बाद. So a good layer of waterproof mascara and going as close to my upper lash line as possible and going as close to my lower lash line as possible. मैंने बोला था कि गोइंग एज क्लोज टू माई लोअर लैश लाइन एज पॉसिबल. फॉर दैट हल्का सा काजल वाला इफेक्ट ऑन माई लोअर लैश लाइन. कैन यू सी, ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने काजल लगाया है पर मैंने काजल बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगाया है. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सेट माई फेस. फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस मैट सेटिंग स्प्रे बाय वेट एंड वाइल्ड. That setting spray helped in setting my makeup on place, so this makeup will last longer, and also that gave me a glow to my face, so that's why I never skip my setting spray. Last step is lipstick. Now this is very optional. You can just apply a lip balm of your choice, a tinted lip balm of your choice, and good to go. Like this is also looking good, but I want some hint of color on my lips. For that I'll be using Chai by Nykaa again, and this was my natural makeup look. I started with a good skincare. I hydrated my skin first, and after that I used a SPF wala cream to protect my skin from sun and the damages from the sun, and later I did a very subtle makeup on my face. मैंने आपको सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से explain किया, इसलिए थोड़ा सा लंबा लगा ये वीडियो. Otherwise it barely takes 5 minutes. So this is it for today's video, you all. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Now I know you will ask me in the comment section below that Shalini, what product by Mamaearth would you recommend? Their Natural Radiance Day Cream or their Bye Bye Blemish Cream? Honestly speaking, दोनों का काम different है, but they both are filled with different antioxidant ingredient. So this one has mulberry extract and vitamin C in it, and this one has pomegranate oil and moringa oil in it. अगर आपके पास already SPF वाला cream है, then you can invest on something like this that will give you antioxidant and anti-aging benefits. Fun fact about Mamaearth guys, their products are plastic positive. That is, they recycle more plastic than they produce. So उनकी जो भी item आप देख रहे हो plastic वाले item, ये सब recycled होके आए हैं आपके पास. So they are adding value to the environment. So that's a really good thing. On that note, this was it for today's video. For more of such videos in future, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon, like, comment, share this video with your friends and family. I will see you all next time. Bye.